Good morning students. Let us see what we have learnt in the last class. So last class we have seen to multiplication. So here multiplication introduction has come from the repeated addition. So repeated addition means the numbers that are which are same. If it is 2 means 2 plus 2 or 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is we are writing at times 2 plus 2. The number same number is written again. So this is mean by repeated addition. So we will get the answer as 4. And then if the number is written 3 times, then it is 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is also a repeated addition. So we got the answer as 6. This is repeated addition, and from this only we have got as multiplication. So multiplication as repeated addition. So see that this is 2 times as 2. Here see here 2 is 2 times. So we are writing like this. This is multiplication as repeated addition. This is what we have seen in the last class. And the times can be written as cross sign like this. 2 cross 2. That is x, the capital X you can use that. 2 cross 2. And here see it is 3 times. So how will you write? 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. So instead of times we can use cross sign. So this is we have learnt in the last class, that is multiplication as repeated addition. So today we are going to see to multiplication on the number line. So before that we can see to a story now. So Riya and mother, Riya's and her mother. So two of them having some conversation. Riya is cleaning her cupboard. She is taking marker pens and crayons. So she found marker pens, totally 4 marker pen packets and 3 crayon packets. So now she is asking to her mom that marker pens are there and crayons are there. In each packet there are 5 crayons in the crayon packets, and in the marker pens she found 2 in each of the packets. So now we are going to find that only. So she is asking to her mom that shall I use the multiplication or repeated addition shall I use? Then I can find the answer, right? She is asking to her mom. Then her mom told, yes Riya, you can use by multiplication and also we can use by number line. So today we are going to see to number line, multiplication on number line. Now we shall see how to use by multiplication by using number line. So here this is a number line, starts from 0. Okay, the number line starts from 0 and the number sequence is written like this. And here we have seen to a conversation between Riya and mother, right? So here Riya found 4 marker packets and in each of the marker packets 2 pens she found. So that is how we have to write as, that is 4, that is 4 marker pens. Okay, 4 marker pens, that is how many times? That is 2. 4 times 2. Here 4 marker pens and 4 marker pen packets, and in each of the packets there are 2 pens are there. So how it will be means 4 jumps to 2. 4 times 2, no? 4 jumps of 2. 4 jumps of 2. 4 jumps of 2. And what is the meaning of here? There should be 4 jumps of 2. How will you write this 4 times of 2? 4 times 2 is written like this, right? 4 into 2. You will write this as 4 into 2. And consider that the first number here, no? 4 into 2, right? So here 4 is jumps. Keep this in mind. 4 is jumps and 2 here, no, this as counts. So what is this? 4 is the packet of markers, and each of the packets there are 2 pens. So only we are writing as 4 times 2, and that is said to be as 4 jumps of 2. And here 4 is a jumps and second number is counts. 4 is jumps and 2 is a counts. So what you are going to do, we have to jump 4 times, and here 2 counts, right? 2 means the counts. So you have to skip by 2. You already know to skip by 2. how to skip from one number to next number. 2s means you have to skip 2s, or 3 means you have to skip by 3s. So we have to start from 0. The number line starts from 0. From 0 you have to start. Here you have to start in the number line. From here what is given? There are 2 counts and 4 jumps. You have to count 2s. So how will you count? This is 1 and this is 2. So you have to jump 2s. This is 1 jump. Okay, you have to count 2s and then you have to jump once. That is, this is 1 jump. Okay, and from 2 you have to again jump. That counts is 2. So count. This is 1 and this is 2. So again, this is the second jump. And here from 4 to 6 it will be. You have to count 2. 1, 2. So here it comes. This is the third jump. And here from 6 to 8 it comes. So here 1 and this is 2. So totally 4 jumps only. So the answer will be 8. So 4 times 2 is 8. Answer is 8. Like this we can find the answer by using the number line. This is what the Riya's mother explained to Riya. Okay. And again we have seen that this is for marker pens, and again another one is there. What is crayons? There are packets, crayon packets are there, no? So we can find for that by using number line. Okay. And now we are going to do for crayons. So how many packets of crayons are there? 3 packets of crayons. In each packet of crayons, how much crayons are there? There are 5 crayons. So for that you are going to use. So how will be that? 3 jumps of 5. This is the number of packets, and this is in each packet how many crayons are there. This is what we are writing like this. And 3 times 5. This is also the meaning of this one. Okay. And how will you write in the multiplication sentence? You will write as 3 into 5. What I said, the first number will be the jumps. Keep this in mind. Okay, this is very much important. By keeping this in mind, you can use this easily. And here 5. 5 is counts. So now where we have to start? We have to start from 0. In the number line we have to start from 0. So start from 0. What is given here? Counts. How much counts? Is 5. So you have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to end here. So this is 1 jump. This is 1 jump. And the next one, how many jumps are there? 3 jumps. So again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it ends here. So jump from 5 to 10. This is second jump. And again you have to count because it is given that 3 jumps. So again count the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it's the jump of 3. 3 jumps of 5 it is given. So the answer is 15. We have got the answer as 15. So 3 5 is 15. So this is multiplication. This is multiplication sentence. So using the number line we have seen. Okay, this is for marker pens we have found, and this is for crayons we have found by using the number line, multiplication on a number line. Now we shall try to exercise problems. Observe the following number lines and fill in the boxes. So see to this number line and you are going to fill the incomplete boxes given here. So see to the first number line. What is given here? The numbers are written below up to 9. This is a number line which starts from 0. So this is the number line. And here from 0 to 1. How the number jumps? How many jumps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 jumps are there. And here how it has jumped? How much counts are in between each of these jumps? See, from 0 to 1 it has jumped. So how many counts are in between that one jump? There are 1 counts. So from 0 to 1, 1 count. And 1 to 2, it's 1 count. So there are 8 jumps are here. And how much counts are coming here? 1 counts. So how will you write here? 8 jumps of 8 jumps of what is here in between? The counts are 1. So 8 jumps of 1. How will you write this in the multiplication sentence? Here 8, no? So write first 8. So write the number here. So which is multiplied 8 times. 8 times of 1. 8 into 1 which is 8. We have got the answer as 8 here. The ending point is here, no? So the answer is 8. And see to the next question. So this is a number line which starts from 0. If it starts from 0 means only it's a number line. And here it starts from 0 and see to how much jumps are there. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 jumps. So write that 5 here. And here how much counts are there? See here in between how much they are. From 0 it starts. So 1, 2. So there are 2 counts in between that. And see the next. From 2 to 4 it's. So 2 after 3, 1, 2. So there are 2 counts in here and jumps of 5. So write that 2 here. 5 jumps of 2. 5 jumps of 2. So how will you write in multiplication sentence? 5 times of 2. That is times means the cross sign. So 5 2s are 10. Here the answer is 10 given here. So this is that multiplication on a number line. So 5 jumps of 2 is here, and here in the sentence 5 into 2 is equal to 10. And now see to the next problem, that is draw the jumps and complete the multiplication sentence. So what we are going to do? Draw the jumps. Here we have observed the number line, how much jumps are there, like that we have found, and we have filled the incomplete boxes given here. And here what is given? Draw the jumps. We are going to draw the jumps and complete the multiplication sentence. Like this we are going to write the multiplication sentence by using this. Okay, 7 times 3 is given here. From this we are going to draw the number line. Going to draw the jumps on the number line. So this is a number line, we have to write like this, starts from 0, and I didn't mention 1, 2, 3, 4 here and all. So why I didn't fill means there is no space to write those much numbers, these much numbers. Up to 25 I have written, right? So here the number is 7 times 3. So to draw the number line, if we need more number, we have to write like this only. We can write like this, 0 after 5, and here leave the gap between. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, and here 10 it is. So if we have more number, we can write like this. We no need to write in between numbers. Like this we can mention any of that. The 5 times I have written 0 after 5, and here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 10 after 15 I have written 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have to jump forward now. That is 7 times 3. 7 times 3. 7 times means the first 7 is the jump. That I have already said, no? First number is jump, that is jumps, and the second number you have to take as counts. So where we have to start the jump? We have to start right from 0. So the counts will be 3, and there are 7 jumps. So the count is 3. So this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So you have to jump here. This is 3, and 3 after. See here 3 counts, again 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, and you have to jump here. So totally how much jumps we have done here? 2 jumps. So here 7 jumps. So after second jump, the third jump will be count, again count 1, 2, 3. So here it is. This is the third jump. Then next again 1, 2, 3. The next jump is here. Again we have to count 3. 1, 2, 3. To 15 we have come. So count how many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remaining 2 jumps are there. So next to 15. Next to 15 again count 1, 2, 3. So it's here. So draw the jump. And the next So totally 6 jumps we have drawn now. So the next count 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's here. So you have to draw the jump like this. So now count how many jumps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally 7 jumps as it is given here. 7 times 3. We have counted 3. So here we have to find the answer. What is the answer now? 20 after 21. So the result is 21 in the multiplication. So we have done for multiplication on a number line we have seen. So how many jumps? 7 jumps of, that is 3. And now in the multiplication sentence, how will you write? First number here and the next number here. 7 into 3. So 7 times 3, that is given here. 7 times 3. So the answer is 21. So this is we have seen by number line. By using number line we have found the multiplication answer. That is 7 into 3 is equal to 21. So the remaining problems you are going to do as the homework. Here in the first one, observe the following number lines and fill in the boxes. Remaining 2 problems are there. You are going to do that one as your homework sum. As the same thing only, that 2 remaining problems also. Here also there are 2 remaining problems here. You are going to draw the jumps for the rest of the 2 problems. Now the third problem. Riya ordered 4 pizzas. Each pizza is sliced into 4 parts. How many slices are there in all? Use the number line to find the answer. So here Riya ordered pizzas. How much pizzas? 4 pizzas she ordered. So each pizza has been sliced into 4 pieces. Each pizza is into 4 pieces. And she ordered 4 pizzas totally. So we are going to find how many slices will be there. So she has sliced the pizzas, no? So we have to find that how many slices will be there if she ordered 4 pizzas. So each pizza is sliced into 4 pieces and she ordered 4 pizzas. So totally how many slices are that we are going to find. So how will you find? You are going to take 4 jumps of 4. So here she ordered 4 pizzas and the 4 parts are there, no? So 4 jumps of 4. 4 times of 4. By using number line you are going to find the answer. So you have to start from 0. For this question you have to start from 0. 0 to you have how many markings you need, you can write up to that number. For each markings you can give the numbers or you can write like this way. So you can find the answer for how many slices are there. By using number line you are going to do and you are going to find the answer for the third question, that Riya ordered for 4 pizzas and each pizza has 4 slices. So total slices you are going to find. So in the next class we are going to learn to multiplication tables. So here we have found for multiplication on a number line. In the previous class we have seen what is a multiplication, that repeated addition we have seen, how to write the multiplication sentence. These are all things we have learned till now. So in the next class we are going to learn multiplication tables. Thank you students.